I'm Raymond Fernandez now. I'm at Hotel New Ariang with Miss Sunny. Hi, Miss Sunny. Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sunny. Korean, 22 years.
My first question. Do you like here in the Philippines?
Kind of. Yeah, kind of.
Kind of? Okay. Second question. What tourist spot here in the Philippines you want to visit?
Boracay.
Boracay?
Mm.
Why?
Because it's beautiful and many beaches and I can swim.
Okay. What? Have you been there?
No?
No? What places you have been experienced?
Clark, Subic,
Subic,
Morong Beach, and
Bataan?
Bataan.
In Subic, what places you like it?
Subic.
Subic Safari? Oh, that's nice. What is your purpose of staying here?
Okay. Studying?
What?
Study.
Study?
Yeah.
More.
I want to study in Angeles University. Yeah. No.
Husband.
No.
What about your husband?
Oh, he's working here in Clark.
Clark.
Mm.
Are you happy?
Maybe.
Why?
Maybe because I have to stay in hotel all day long alone.
So this is my last question. What is your hobbies while staying here in hotel?
Talking with drivers, sleeping, play computer, and eating.
Can you give some name of the driver? What you always talking?
Noel,
Noel. Who's Noel? I don't know.
Baboy,
Baboy. What's Baboy?
Pig,
Ah.
and Rico,
Rico.
and Lemon Rambutan.
Who's Lemon Rambutan?
You!
Me?
Yes. And Rodel Loco Loco.
Who's Rodel Loco Loco?
Security guard.
Security guard.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation and
Thank you,
God
folks.
bless.
Bye.
Stop!